Hi, I'm Angelo Romero, the President of PMP Pain Center Corporation.
My name is Naila Romero, Chief Finance Officer of PMP Pain Center Corp.
It started as a business venture, and I've been in the corporate industry, sales management for 15 years, and I saw the potential of the business. Nakita namin na may higher calling pala yung business. Kasi yun nga, no, we saw the current plight of the PTs in the Philippines. Limited lang opportunities for them. The story of PMP actually started yung team during the pandemic. And the level of uncertainty during that time is very challenging talaga.
It started in one clinic and now 30 plus branches na kami nationwide.
Because of the teamwork at the same time, after careful assessment of what we could do as a healthcare provider, we were able to overcome that. Right now, we were able to employ 80 plus physical therapists nationwide. We are humbled and blessed kasi naging instrument kami to bridge yung PTs sa patient. At the same time, partners din with our rehabilitation doctors.
Actually, dumating pa sa time na naghahatid sundo pa kami ng mga employees to serve the patients. Makapag-operate kami daily.
Minsan may nami-miss out din kasi nga because of manual ang pag-input namin ng mga billing. As a start, no, manageable pa ang operations ng clinic. But as the patient load is dumami na, nagkakaroon na ng issues in terms of data management, yung mga information ng patient, appointment setting. So, hindi na ganun ka-efficient. Minsan, nagkakaroon ng double appointments, ganyan. Billing. So, minsan, may nami-miss out din because of manual ang pag-input namin ng mga billing. And also, even sa inventory, dahil manual din ang pag-track namin ng inventory, minsan, nagkakaroon kami ng oversupply or minsan, nagkakaroon din naman ng shortage.
Masyadong prone to pilferage din talaga. No? Kapag dumadami yung mga branches mo, especially, yung data management and other things, no? Lahat ng aspects yan sa operations, madaming klase yan Mahirap na siyang i-monitor, mahirap na siyang i-consolidate manually. So, ayun, doon na kami nag-decide na talagang kailangan na namin i-address yung issue na yun. That's when I started na to reach out with Bea of Health Blocks. Na-address naman yung mga need namin for the operations.
With the help of Bea, may nakita rin kami or naitulong siya na malaman namin na other possible magiging problem without having a clinic management system.
With Health Blocks, napaka-efficient na i-consolidate lahat ng reports, i-monitor lahat remotely ng mga branches. Yung mga dating manually namin kino-consolidate, manually namin gustong i-extract, and just one click kay Health Blocks, makuha na namin agad. Actually, si Health Blocks, siya na yung operational system ng PMP, no? It addresses everything na kahit mapa-appointment setting namin, mga patients' information, sales monitoring, and even HMO collections. So, lahat-lahat ng mga kailangan namin sa clinic operations na kay Health Blocks na hindi na kami nahihirapan.
Kasi we asked Health Blocks to assist us on how to monitor that through a feedback system. So, nakikita namin doon currently on what we need to improve on and even ano yung mga positive on our side.
Marami na rin kaming actually na pa-modify kay Health Blocks. Like yung mga productivity report ng mga physical therapies namin, mga branches namin, lahat ng mga performance reports. Actually, bank reconciliation reports, meron na din kami with Health Blocks. Marami na kami na pa-modify. Na-align ni Health Blocks yung operations namin with them. Madali namin na consolidate, na monitor efficiently yung mga reports na kailangan namin. Kahit mapa-monthly, minsan nga yearly pay na extract namin ng mabilis lang. So ayun, very efficient talaga magkaroon ng Health Blocks. We're also planning to reach out to academe and PT schools and to cover pa more of private companies to serve more patients, and also maging part na ito ng wellness program nila ng mga private companies. Dahil very adaptive and very efficient talaga si Health Blocks sa amin, laging nandun and laging partnered with Health Blocks ang mga future branches namin.
To our future patients, we are excited to have you here. We invite you to visit our clinic. We are located in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
To all the clinic and business owners like us, we invite you and encourage you to be partner of Health Blocks 360 to embark on your healthcare innovation journey.